We will make pork patties and serve them with Dijon mustard and with a thinly sliced onion. You will need half a kilo of pork mince, 1 white roll, an onion, salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, Dijon mustard, and lard or oil. Tear a white roll into pieces. You could use a burger bun instead of a roll. Soak the roll in cold water. Squeeze the water out, discard the water, and place the roll back into the bowl. Mash the soaked roll with a fork, breaking all big pieces. Add the pork mince. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Add 2 teaspoons of paprika. These can be leveled or heaped, depending on how much you like paprika. Combine all ingredients well, using a fork or your hands. Form small patties. These should be quite thin, so that they are easy to fry. Heat up a pan, and add frying oil, or lard. Add the patties to the pan, and fry them for a few minutes. Then, flip the patties over, and fry them for another few minutes. While the patties are frying, peel an onion. Slice the onion thinly. Break the onion pieces into individual onion rings. Transfer the patties onto a plate. Spread a small amount of Dijon mustard on top of each pork patty. Scatter the sliced onion over the top, and serve with a slice of bread, or with boiled potatoes.